Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this video, I'm going to explain you the line items data conversion to the data table, right? In previous session, we have seen that when we click this button, it generates the purchase orders header and details, and then converts first of all the header data into the data table and successfully, and then the PO details, that is the line items, are also generated, and then the data is converted into data table. Okay, so a little enhancement I have made, rather not, it was not enhancement, it was actually changes, rectification of one thing, which I forgot to discuss in previous video. So I have made this the part 2 of this video, in which I'm telling you that I put a breakpoint in here. Okay, so this was the only amendment which is done. Otherwise, the rest of everything is was okay. Okay. So what is this and why it is? I'm going to explain you. When you click generate, right? So first of all, it deletes the header, then it deletes the details, right? So it was previously 2 that was causing an error. So I made it distant, right? Yeah, it gives this error because this error is telling you that the deletion is impossible because the range which is specified is overlapping, and it is including part of the table, right? So it has to be, instead of from A2, so it resolves as soon as we make it A3. Okay, so A3, and then when we do it, then it works, right? So this was the only adjustment I have done, because the table, the rows deletion in the table has to be appropriately ranged. Yeah, the range has to be appropriate so that which can take the correct number of table rows be included. Okay, so this is the only thing, and the process is completed. The data has been regenerated, and you can verify that if it is okay or not. So to verify, you have to click on the total column item amount column I, and see what is it is 297,887. Okay, so we go to the PO header. This is the PO header, and this is the PO amount, right? So the 297,887. So this means all the totals of the header are matching with the total of the line items. So and further, you can go to the monthly summary, and you can click this button, and you can take the amount summary +1. Okay, so these are the amounts. It automatically adjusts the column, the width of the table, because the last month is August. First month is January. You can verify it from the PO header here that the first month is January and the last month is August. Yeah, the last month is August. Yeah, August 23. There's no September to that. Okay, and it is starting from the January 2003. Okay, so this is verified. That summary is also working, although we have not made any change. The same code which was written for tableless data, in which the data was not converted into the tables. The same report is still working. No impact, no problem is due to the conversion of the ranges of the PO header into the table, data table. Okay. So you can further check the other reports like say 3. This is for the supplier amount. Yeah. So these all the suppliers and so. So this should also be the same total, 297,888. Okay. So you can check it again. This is 297,888. Okay, so this is verified. So the summary is also working, and so this is the beauty of the tables, that it does not make any much difference, though you have the advantage of having table functionalities are now within you. You can use the filters, you can write the formulas. Writing in one cell will take you to the entire cell, the entire table, right? So this is how you can easily create, convert the ranges, Excel ranges to the data table, and without having any problem in your reports, right? And further, even your charts are also intact. If you click here, this is supplier G. Supplier G's table is the chart is also shown you there. If you click supplier J, you click there, and the supplier J is still there. If you want to have two suppliers charts, then you have to use, you want to prevent the system from deleting this chart. So chart, you will put X here or Y there, make it something different as chart, right? So this way you are now preventing it from deleting the charts. Now you have two charts available side by side. One supplier can be compared side by side with the graph. So that this is the progress of the two suppliers. Okay, thank you very much. See you then.